Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanvi Mahant, a consulting homeopath and a counselor. In today's video, we are going to talk about a topic which we all experience, that is anxiety. Symptoms like breathlessness, racing of heart, the constant thoughts, what if, all the symptoms which we experience. But the question is when the anxiety is normal and when does it requires treatment. So in this video, let's understand what is normal anxiety and what is anxiety disorder and how we can help our mind and body to feel better. What is anxiety? In simple words, it's our body's natural alarm system. It's that response, a fight and flight response that keeps a person out of danger. So a little anxiety is always helpful. It pushes us to study for exam, it keeps us alert while we are driving, it keeps us motivated. So a little anxiety always helps us. But when this alarm is on, even when there is no real danger, that is where the problem starts. So let's understand what's the difference between anxiety and anxiety disorders. So anxiety, firstly, it is temporary. It is present till the situation exists. For example, exam, interview, etc. It goes away when the situation passes. Thirdly, we are able to live our life, do our regular activities. As opposed to that, what is anxiety disorder? Firstly, the thoughts of worry, overthinking, fear, it is persistent all the time and sometimes even without a real danger or cause. Secondly, we experience symptoms like breathlessness, heart is racing or palpitations. We feel unexplained body aches and pains. This I see so commonly in my patient. Also, there is disturbed sleep, focus is less, and even small things causes a lot of overwhelming symptoms. So this is the basic difference between anxiety and anxiety disorder, and it is a state when our body's alarm system is on throughout the time even without a real danger. Now, what are the common signs or symptoms of anxiety disorders? Firstly, in this, the anxiety is out of proportion or excessive to the stimuli and it persists for months. So there is a constant state of worry or overthinking, restlessness which is persistent, difficulty in sleeping, there is unexplained fatigue or weakness, and anxiety disorders also presents with a lot of physical symptoms like headache, there could be chest tightness or chest pain, breathlessness, even headaches, unexplained body pains, there could be a lot of stomach issues with anxiety. So these are few signs and symptoms which we don't need to ignore. If it persists for few months, you really need to address them and seek doctor's help. Let's understand how homeopathy and counseling can help in these cases. So firstly, I see a lot of cases of anxiety in my clinic and I tell them that anxiety is treatable with a combination of homeopathy, counseling and proper lifestyle changes. So homeopathy is a system which takes into consideration the mental symptoms, the physical symptoms. We understand what is the mental state of the patient, what is the reason for this anxiety, right? The root cause of the problem. How was the upbringing of the person, the childhood? Is there any history of child abuse, child trauma, etc., the life situations? What are the trigger factors, etc., and we try to give a homeopathic remedy to the person. Counseling, I advise to few patients where I feel that it will help the patients. Now counseling also helps us to understand the thought process of the person, also the trigger factors, so that they are able to manage their symptoms in a better way. Talking about certain lifestyle changes which a person can make. Firstly is meditation and deep breathing exercises. I've seen this helping a lot of patients because majority of people they experience symptoms of breathlessness, chest tightness, palpitations, which are controlled to a great extent with regular breathing exercise and meditation. Secondly is limiting screen time before bedtime, limiting coffee intake before going to sleep helps. Thirdly is gentle movements, a simple walk outside in nature or yoga. So simple exercise also helps to reduce anxiety. Don't bottle up your emotions, don't suppress your emotions. If you're feeling something, talk to a friend, talk to a doctor, or write down your thoughts. Maintain a journal, a worry journal. So whatever thoughts, symptoms, which comes to your mind, write it down rather than bottling it up. So these are few simple things which you can do at home. Firstly, if you're experiencing such symptoms, do not ignore them, contact your doctor. And if you feel that this video is helpful, share it with more and more people. In this month, I'm going to make more videos on mental health. So stay tuned to my channel. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Until next video, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.